In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change combat type in Honkai Star Rail. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to change the combat type for the main character or MC and also for March. I'm also going to be talking about how to do team selection and swap the members that you have on your current team. So to start, all that you have to do if you want to swap between the available paths for the main character is open up the character details, choose the main character from here, and if you look at the bottom right corner of the screen, you will find the switch button. In here, you can find all of the available paths. So at this current moment, we have destruction, preservation, and finally harmony. By default, you will start with destruction, so you will only have access to this combat type or path. If you want to unlock preservation and harmony, you just have to keep playing through the main story. To avoid spoilers, I'm not going to be giving you the method to unlock these, but just be aware that you just have to keep playing and eventually it will give you the option to swap between these types. You will get a notification and you just have to follow these same steps. So go into the character details, choose the main character, and then switch. You can do the exact same thing with March. So at this current moment, March has two paths, preservation and hunt, and you can swap between them here. Once you swap, you will be able to switch between two different relic sets, and usually you get this warning. When the same character is switched to a different path, their life cones and relics will be independent of each path. So when you swap, you will get this notification, and like I mentioned, the light cone and the relics will change accordingly. But to actually answer the question in the title of this video, you just have to go over to the character details, switch, and then choose them here. If you go over to this icon, besides character, you will access the team selection page, and in here you can also essentially change the combat type by including characters and making your roster here. I hope I was able to help you on how to change combat type Honkai Star Rail. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.